Okay, good evening, and I'm Bona from India. Thanks for giving this wonderful opportunity to share my experience about this meditation. Before I came this meditation, I did two types of meditations. I want to share about that meditation also. After that only, you people are knows what is the difference between these meditations and that meditations. What are the benefits I got from these meditations? That's why I shared. And before I did one Indian type meditations, that is only that breathing concentration only. Did that also temporary solution only I got. That also good. That I'm not satisfied. Then after that I went to Japanese meditation. And Japanese meditation is totally different. That depends upon the 7 chakras about our bodies. That also cured my body part only, not mind. Both meditation and Indian meditation and Japanese meditations both cured only my body, physical body only. Temporary solution only that gave me. But this after I want to mental relaxations. I have a overthinking, stress. I want to release my stress. How to activate, how to clean my mind. That solution I never get before this meditation. That one time I was searching by Google, I got that Bangkok Meditation Center. But suddenly I went to next day, I went to Bangkok Meditation Center and I saw the Monica teacher, Anna teacher Monica. Both are guided me very well. First day I went to that house, I feel more comfort, I feel very peaceful. But initially I have a fear about this meditation also. This also cured only physical problems. There is any solutions here I got. I have a lot of doubts. Gradually I asked more questions to Monica. Politely, very patiently, she guided me very well. After that only I realized, this meditation only clear how to clear mind. What is picture? Before I don't know what is picture. I concentrate only breathing. I concentrate only chakras only. I don't know what is picture. I was confused initially, but Monica taught me very well. Because from birth onwards now, from till now I am in 45 years old. From birth till now, we have a lot of pictures accumulated in our mind. How to clear? Day by day, it's gradually. How to take, she taught me very well. But we need a patience and we need a time also. It takes more time. Sometimes I quit the meditation also. Then after that, Monica pushed me, come on, Bhavana, you can do it, universe, come on. You know, very well, you're doing amazing work. Like that, she was pushing me. She was not pushing, she was encouraging. She was encouraging me. She was motivating me very well. Gradually, my mind, I realized my mind is peaceful and calm. Before I was very talkative, very anchor. Quickly, I reacted. But now, I calm and listening power is improved. My focus is improved. My concentration is improved. So I'm very thankful to this universe. I'm very thankful to this meditation. I'm very thankful. I'm very grateful to my teacher Monica and assistant also. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for your giving opportunity to me. Thanks your timings.